And we have some walnut travertine coping being delivered right now. So today, all of this got delivered. Yep, walnut travertine coping, the tile. I don't know what's in that little box, but the grout has been moved somewhere safe to keep it out of the rain. I think I forgot to say, today is February 14th, 2024. It's supposed to rain later today, or start raining. Another rainstorm is coming in. Hopefully these guys can get a lot of work done today before the rain comes. Here's my little plumbing project, mini plumbing project. I need to move that faucet to as far over there as I can get it. There's a sleeve that goes underneath this concrete pad, so I'll push it over that way as far as I can. Nice. Turn that thing into a wet noodle.
Oh yeah.
So they had to pull a junction box from over there for the 220 to the equipment. And they're running it straight through that conduit there. Looks like they're going to bend some conduit also.